Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. We've got 3 messages today. The first message is I'm sustained by the love of God. Put all your faith in the love of God within you. Eternal, changeless, forever unfailing. This is the answer to whatever confronts you today. Our second message today is Council of Light, Divine Orchestration. Helpers in subtle realm. The Council of Light is a team of benevolent beings who are here to assist the raising of consciousness of the planet. They are here to help you achieve your soul mission and are guiding you every step of the way. However, because we live in a world where free will reigns, they cannot help you without your permission. If you would like their assistance, it is time to ask them. They can help with all kinds of requests. Nothing is too big or too small. Think of them as your personal team of helpers in the spirit realm. They're willing and ready to step in and get to work. What would you like help with? What tasks would you like to delegate to them? The Council of Light is a team of ascended masters, light beings, angels and guides devoted to the rising of the earth and all humanity. If you are a light worker, it is from them that you receive your personal mission. Like a spirit world United Nations, they want to thank you so much for doing the work and devoting your life to uplifting the planet. Pray to them for clarity and guidance regarding your personal mission. Put in your requests and let them get to work. This is an activation card. So put your hands on the heart portal and say, Council of Light, I'm ready to receive your help for fulfilling my personal dharmic mission. Thank you for guiding me with clarity every step of the way, for sending me helpers and experiences that delight my body, mind, and soul. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Our third message today is share your voice. Come out of the cave. Persecution, expression. So the message is you're being called to share your voice, perhaps by speaking up in a relationship or through writing, singing, speaking, or some other form of creative expression. We each hold a truth deep within us that longs to be expressed. Sculpted for lifetimes, the voice of your soul is like no other. It carries with it wisdom that can only be gained through soul history and growth. By remembering, tapping into, and expressing this unique tone, we not only heal ourselves, we also heal the planet at large. When you share your voice, you unlock something in the universe and call a missing piece of your home. Your individual voice is the most powerful sound current on the planet. If you have kept your soul's voice silenced or held back, chanting or singing could be true life-changing for you. As we shed the layers of our personality and start letting our own unique soul speak through us, we discover that we actually have a very clear message that longs to be shared. The more we speak it, the clearer it gets. There has never been a better time in history than right now to rise up, speak your truth, and share your soul's voice. If you feel fearful, know that you are not alone and the world needs your unique tone in order to harmonize. As we each rise up and share our song, we make it easier for the next person to do the same. Express yourself, share your voice, speak to those who can hear you. Share your voice, express your creativity in whatever way you have to share it. And there was a message similar to this which I had shared last year on my son's birthday, and literally hundreds and hundreds of people reached out to me on LinkedIn when I shared it, and on Facebook. And I had expressed this, that when something from the depth of your soul wants to be expressed, then you need to express it at the risk of being vulnerable. Because whatever something deeply personal can also be universal at the same time. And if you think that you are finding it difficult to express, maybe your throat chakra is blocked and you need to work on cleansing your throat chakra. And you can do singing, chanting, and express your voice. So, whatever gifts you have, each one of us has unique gifts and unique voice of our soul that needs to be expressed. So, that is today's message, and lots of love to you.